Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today I've got some new Bluetooth speakers to show you all. Now these are not any other ordinary speakers, they're quite powerful and come with RGB lighting on them. Yes, you heard me right, these speakers come with a beat driven light show. The lighting on it automatically syncs with the audio and flashes on the rhythm of the music. Sounds cool, right? They're made by DOSS and the model is Soundbox Pro. You've got a picture of the speaker here and the DOSS branding above that. Let's check out the features of this speaker. The Soundbox Pro has a special extra bass function. It's IPX5 rated water resistant, has truly wireless stereo mode, RGB party lights, and it's a Bluetooth V4.2 wireless speaker. So those were some of its highlights. Now let's see what else is written on the box. Over here you've got the specs of the speaker. The model is Soundbox Pro. It's a stereo speaker, has two full range drivers each of 10 watts, so that gives a total output of 20 watts and has a built-in 2200 mAh battery. So those are all of its specs. Now let's get started with the unboxing. We'll be unboxing only one of them as both of them have literally the same packaging. I want to thank DOSS for sending me this product for review. Let's open it and check out the product. Alright, we've got a tray at the top with the DOSS branding. And below that there's some paperwork. It's a user manual. Just make sure to read that for full info on the product. Now let's take the speaker out of the box. It comes nicely packed in this tray, and below that we've got some accessories which include a USB cable for charging and a 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable to use it in aux mode. So those were all the items. Now let's finally check out the product. So here is the DOSS Soundbox Pro wireless speaker. It's a stereo Bluetooth speaker with two 10-watt full-range drivers, so it can produce a max output of 20 watts. The build quality looks very good from my first impressions. You can actually see its two speakers here, and there's also a bass radiator in between them. The speaker has a nice metal grille on the front with the DOSS logo, and here is its RGB light strip. This whole thing glows and flashes to the rhythm of the music. The speaker feels a bit heavy in the hand. It easily weighs around 750 grams. It has a soft rubber-like matte finishing all over the body and has media control buttons at the top. You've got a media play pause, volume down, volume up, a mode button, and an add button to activate the TWS mode. Above that you've got some status LED indicators. On the right it's got a special extra bass button to boost the bass and a power button beside that. There's nothing on the right and left sides, and at the bottom you've got some info regarding the product. On the back there's a rubber flap under which you've got some ports which include a micro USB port for charging, a reset button, a 3.5mm aux port, and a micro SD card slot. So that was our overview on the design and the build quality. Now let's power it on, pair it with my phone, and see how the audio sounds like. So guys, I've got both the DOSS Soundbox Pro speakers on my desk. Now that's because you can pair both the speakers and use them in truly wireless stereo mode. Let me just power on both the speakers and show you. There you go. So this is how the RGB lighting on them looks like. You can change the color of the lights on the speakers. I'll show you that later. First, let me pair both of them in TWS mode. Pairing them with each other is very simple. What you need to do is press this add button on the first speaker for 2 to 3 seconds until the lights start blinking like this. Now do the same thing on the second speaker. That's it guys, just leave both the speakers for like 1 or 2 minutes and they'll automatically pair with each other. There you go, they've successfully connected in TWS mode. Now let me show you the different RGB lighting on it. You can change the color of the lights by pressing and holding the mode button for 2 to 3 seconds, just like this. And changing the color on one speaker will affect the second one also. It's got a total of 4 different colors: blue, red, cyan and green. So that was all about the lighting. Now let me connect them to my phone, play some songs and check out the audio quality. The audio quality was really good. The mids were crisp and clear, the vocal quality was nice. Talking about the high frequency response, it was producing silky smooth treble. Coming to the bass was nice and punchy. It was not that overwhelming but had the right amount of bass. Each of these Soundbox Pro speakers produce 20 watts of output, and when used in TWS mode, the total output you get is around 40 watts. And trust me guys, the output on the speakers is very high. With just these two compact speakers, you can throw down a great party at your home. I was quite satisfied with the audio output. The distortion was less up to 85% volume level, but beyond that you can feel slight distortion in the audio. The Soundbox Pro also has a microphone on it, and the mic quality was great during call conversations. Talking about the battery life, it has a 2200 mAh battery and the battery life was really good. On an average, I was getting around 10 hours of continuous music playtime at 75% volume level and charging them from 0 to 100 took around 3 hours. So that was my review on the DOSS Soundbox Pro RGB light speakers. They're good wireless speakers, love the RGB lighting on them, the build quality is nice, the audio quality is good and the battery life is also great. The only thing I felt is the price is a bit on the higher side. They cost around 3100 rupees each. I'll leave links to them in the description box below, you can get it from there. So that was it for today, thanks for watching my video, hope you all liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos and I'll see you in the next one.